Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you're watching part 10 of our classical technical analysis course. If you want to watch this free course from scratch, you can reach the first video here. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video to join us and see more videos and tutorials. In previous video we talked about rectangles, and in this video we will see the differences between them and double and triple tops and bottoms. We are also going to measure a minimum target for rectangles and see some examples in real charts. Before we start talking about double tops, I have to say that real double tops and triple tops and bottoms are really rare and they're hard to recognize before they go a long way. The major characteristics of real double tops and double bottoms is their duration and depths of the price reaction from first peak. If there's more than 1 month between two tops and the reaction is nearly 20% of price, we probably have a double top. These two numbers are not exact, but they can help us anyway. Double bottoms is the same, but of course in the opposite direction and shape. The rules are somehow logically similar to double tops and triple tops. The tops should have enough time to take place, and the reaction also must be significant, but it has some differences in duration. Second top takes place 3 weeks after first, and the third top 6 weeks after second. We also have volume condition on triple top. Volume is higher in first top than second, and second is higher than third. There are lots of shapes like what you can see in the picture, but if these conditions weren't exist, we can consider them as simple rectangles. For trading and making profit out of rectangles, we need to measure a target for them. A minimum target for rectangle pattern is defined by its width. We can expect price go forward in its penetration direction this amount. After knowing all this, let's see some examples of many rectangles which take place in markets. In the next video, we are going to end up reversal patterns. Share these videos with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.